Listen for the words avoid and contagious.
Just another carefree, sunny afternoon in the park. Oops, wrong script. Sorry. Here we go. Alas, life isn't always one big bowl of cherries, even for a plucky little heroine like ours.
I can beat evil villains. Why can't I beat the common cold?
Time to get the patient all warm and toasty. And here's a special being sick treat.
Thanks, Dad.
Now, you have to stay in bed so you can avoid getting any sicker.
Trust me, I'm too sick to even think of moving.
That's right, Jen. I'm standing outside the bank, where inside a bank robbery is in progress as I speak. Oh, where is Word Girl?
Oh, no.
And you better not get any of that ketchup on my clothes. I'll never get it out.
Just fill up the bag and there won't be a problem. By the way, soda water is really good for ketchup stains.
You know, I hope you're gonna spend some of this money on a new robbery bag. That one smells like salami.
For your information, I'm gonna use the money to buy a state-of-the-art, turbocharged salami slicing machine.
Well, aren't we fancy?
The party's over, Chuck. Hand over the money.
Never! I'd rather... Wait, are you sick?
Just because I have a little cold doesn't mean I still don't have my superpowers.
Forget your superpowers. I don't want to get you cold. I hate getting sick. My mother makes me stay inside for a month and eat this icky soup. Hey, are you... What's the word? You know, when you give someone germs?
Contagious.
Right. You're not contagious, are you?
I'll try to avoid getting you sick.
Get away from me with your cold germs!
Come on, I'm taking you in. Huggy, can I have a tissue, please?
You know, you should really go home and get into bed. Take it easy.
Yeah, no, I will. Just as soon as I take you in.
I'm getting out of here. I don't want to get sick, too. Feel better.
Oh, come on!
Later, at the old fancy schmancy jewelry shop, our evil villain continues his string of daring daylight robberies.
Oh, sir, your silly sack reeks of salami.
You don't like the salami smell? Word Girl, what are you doing here? You're, what's that word again? You know, when you can pass a cold from one person to another?
Contagious.
Right, contagious. You should be home in bed, not spreading your germs.
Oh, yeah? Well, you should be home, not out committing crimes. Achoo!
Why don't you both go home before I get your cold and your horrible salami smell?
Come on, Chuck. Let's go.
Never! Oh, I hate when this happens. It's so messy, and you end up wasting so much.
Oh, how revolting and contagious. Germs, go away. Be gone.
You sneezed all over me. Now I'm gonna be sick. And I was hoping to, you know, when you don't want to get something, what's the word?
Avoid, meaning to keep away from or not get.
Yeah, I wanted to avoid getting sick, and now I've got your germs.
I said I was sorry. You shouldn't have pulled me. Oh, not again. Achoo!
Oh, here, use this, then have it laundered.
8, 9, 10,000. I got it! I finally stolen enough to get the turbocharged super salami slicer. Ah! Oh no, don't tell me. Hey, I can't taste anything. No, I am sick. Why does everything always happen to me? I won't suffer alone. If I can't enjoy a deli sandwich on rye with extra pickles, no one can. I'm gonna steal the greatest pleasure in life, eating sandwiches. Okay, now where'd I leave my evil villain gadgets catalog? Here it is, the Super Duper Sonic Boom Sneezer. Super loud sonic boom sound waves can drown out a marching band and send people flying hundreds of feet. Your neighbors will hate you or your money back. How much is it? Whoa, that's a little pricey. Well, the salami slicer will have to wait. Shoo.
Chucky! Did you just sneeze?
No, Ma, it was... Think of something, Chuck, think. A train on TV.
Was that a cough? Are you sick?
I'm fine, Ma. I promise. Oh, I gotta get out of here before she makes her soup.
And then the Wicked Witch cackled. Did what?
Cackled. It means, you know, a mean-spirited laugh.
Right. Hey, let me get you some more blankets.
Dad, I don't need any more blankets. It's 90 degrees in here. It's sweltering.
That's it? I'd better turn up the heat.
Oh.
We interrupt this program with a special report.
If you can see behind me, there's a man with a sandwich head and a giant plastic nose making a sonic boom so loud that hungry customers can't order their lunches. Let's watch.
Yes? May I help you?
Yeah,
I'm sorry. What did you say?
give me a number.
Doesn't that beat everything? Tell me, Mr. What's your name?
Chuck, the evil sandwich-making guy.
Really? Hey! Sorry. So I see you're making it impossible for anyone to order a sandwich. Any particular reason for this unparalleled treachery?
Yes! My cold is so bad that it's wrecked my taste buds. And if I can't taste the deli sandwich, then I don't want anyone else to either.
Well, that's mature.
Bob, we have to get out of here and stop him.
Now, honey, what can I do for you? Hey, how about some movie magazines?
Actually, Dad, I need some things from the store.
Chicken soup-scented bubble bath, ancient tryptophanian mouthwash, talking thermometer. Why, honey, it's gonna take me forever to find all these things. Well, I guess I'd better get started after I change into some dry clothes. Your mother's downstairs if you need anything.
Got to pull it together and stop Chuck. Word up.
Back at the local grocery, Chuck, the evil sandwich-making guy, continues his unusual in-store promotion.
Attention grocery store shoppers. At the deli counter today, we have an ear-splitting sonic boom.
Kid, I like your style. I couldn't buy all this free publicity. Plus, you've increased earplug sales 120%. You're hired.
But I don't want to work. I just want, what's the word? When you want to get even?
The word is revenge.
Word girl, what are you doing here? You're sick. You should be home in bed. A little chicken soup.
We have chicken soup on sale on aisle 8.
Thanks. I'm here to stop you from causing a public disturbance.
You started it. If you hadn't given me your contagious cold, I wouldn't be sick. I wouldn't have to stop other people from enjoying their sandwiches.
You could have avoided getting my cold by simply...
By using hand sanitizer. Aisle 2.
Actually, Chuck, you could have avoided my cold by not committing any crimes.
Yeah, I guess that's true. Oh, but then how else could I afford the turbocharged salami slicer? Ha, Miss Smarty Pants.
By working for me.
Now I don't even have enough money for that because I spent all my money on this giant nose machine.
Couldn't you find a less expensive nose machine? One that's a little smaller? This one is so big. Achoo! It's obviously designed to disturb much bigger places like a concert hall.
But they hardly ever serve sandwiches at Mozart concerts. A deli is the best place to find people who want to eat sandwiches.
Look, we're both too sick to fight right now. So let's just make it easy and go to the police station.
Never!
Hi! Take
Oh, yeah? Take this!
Achoo!
Tissue?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Holy cow! It's a brand new turbocharged salami slicer! You're even shinier in person. And your blades, they're so sharp. And look, you even have a compartment for salami scraps. Hey, what's with the bars?
Those bars belong to the paddy wagon that you just walked into. Huggy ordered it, backed him to the grocery store's delivery door. Nice work, Huggy.
Paddy wagon? But you can't send me to jail. They have all those inmates there with all those germs. And you have to share sinks. and then I'll never get over this cold.
Relax. You're going home. You're being released into the custody of your mother, and you'll be under house arrest for 6 months.
House arrest? Wait, my mother knows about this? Oh, I'd rather share a dirty sink. She's gonna make me eat that soup. Oh, wait till she sees I went outside without a sweater. Oh, no.
And so, another sinister plot foiled, thanks to the work of Word Girl and Captain Huggy Face.
It was nothing. Not again! Phew!
Cold remedies on aisle 4.
Mommy's gonna take good care of you while you're under house arrest. I made a whole vat of chicken gizzard soup.
Oh. Ah.
I know how much you love that, little Chucky Boo.
Well, guess there's no way for Chuck the evil sandwich making guy to avoid that soup. Tune in next week for another exciting episode of Word Girl. Anybody got a tissue?